Yeah, everything is fine, friends.
Yes, fine.
Yeah, so here
Yes,
what
sir.
is that? See, window is making what is that? Global keyword. Sorry, global variable. So here what is that? Add though it is a global variable. What it's saying now? This variable is what? Global variable, right? Now, so here only if you want to learn the right coding practices, you need to open this document, guys, and try to read it once, right? And start practicing like that only. Start practicing like that only now. So now these declaration rules we are following, guys. Okay, these declaration rules we are following now. So now this discussion is over now only, guys. Okay, now let's start our next level discussion, right? So let's start our what is that? Data type. Let's start data type. What is the data type and how many types of data types and all those things, and how we are writing those things, right? How we are writing those things now. So now let's start our discussion about what is that data type. Data type. Now start with new document. In this document only, right? This weekend document is this one only, right? I will share this document to everyone. Now data type, right? Data type. Let's start. So what is the data type now? What is the data type? What is the data type? What is the data type? So when we need of what is that? When we need of data type, when we need of what? Data types. So data type is what, guys? Data type are used to what? Store data temporary in the computer, right? Computer. So we can use in the programming, right? We can use in the programming right now. So data type data data type are used to store data temporary. temporally, temporarily, right? In computer, in computer to programming. Even though programs. So how, what is, why we need, right? Why we need data type, guys? Okay, let's assume in the real world. Let's assume in the real world. Just let's take, we are writing, what is that? This one is what? One character or not? Come on, this is one character, and this is what is that? One character, and this is what? One character, and this is one character, right? The collection,
Yes.
the collection of character, it's becoming, it's a treat, becoming one string or not? Come on, friends, it's becoming.
Yes.
And one character is called, what is that? One character is one character only, and a collection of character is called, what is that?
Character array.
A character string.
Strings.
Collection of I'm saying that collection of character is called what? String. But
String.
one string is, what is that? Collection of what? We can say one string is collection of character, na? Come on. Right? Same like whenever we are going to bought or bring something in the market. Let's take, we need, what is that? Vegetables. So whenever we are going that, so whenever they if they are calculating the weight of, let's take, we are taking potato, 1 kg potato, so they are taking 1 kg bought, right? So 1 kg is if we want, so they are on there, what we are saying that, yeah, taraju in Hindi we are saying that. In English what we are saying now?
Grace. Gallons.
Yeah, so what is that? It's not meaning 1 into 100 gram, 1 into 200 gram, 1 into 500 gram, like means 1 into 500 gram. If becoming those things, those number is called what is that, real number or not in mathematical format? Come on, in the mathematical format, what is that? Those number is called what is that now, friends? Real
Real
number, real number, right? So but same like whenever we are reading, let's take 1 2 3 4 5 4 5 5 6, these numbers is called what now, friends? Natural number na?
Yes.
These numbers is called what? Natural number, right? Natural number. So now, okay, after some time, what is that? Sometime, what is that? Whenever we are writing any statement or anything in that, just what is that? Like sometime we only saying that, right? If we are doing any wrong things in the life, just I'm giving the visualization about those things, guys. Okay, then we will tell about this one. Because of this is the reason we need what is that in the programming also these things. So just concentrate on whatever things I'm trying to say. So sometimes what is that? Sometimes we are doing the things right. So no, this is right. This is not right work. This is the right work, right? Means here what is that? Right and not right things is coming. If the thing is coming means what is that? True and false condition is coming or not? Come on here. True and false will be there.
Yes.
So
It's Ravi.
so whenever we are doing the programming, in the programming, what we are doing now, we are converting our real businesses logic into in the programmatically format or not, guys? Come on, in the programmatically format, right? So that is the reason we need what is that data type in the programming, guys. Okay, that is the reason we need what is that data type in the programming. For that, if we want to write one statement, that is called what is that? If we are putting this statement inside that, what is the double quote, that is that one will treat as a string. If we need only one character of if we need from the all collection of strings only one character, then we need what is that character data type. If we want to calculate, right, if we want to calculate all strings or anything in the number format, like naturally number, then we need what is that number data type, right? If we want to calculate calculate like average of something, right, then we need what is that real number, that is called what? Double or float. Are you people are getting my point, what I'm saying now?
Yes. Decimal
Yeah.
point.
Yeah, so
Yes, ma'am.
now in now where that cursor now in real world, we have different types, right? Different types of data, like what? Like integer number, integer, floating point, floating point, characters, boolean, and strings, etc. Multiple things is there. These things is called what is that now, friends? These things is called what? Data types. So what is the use of data types? So what is the use of data type now? What is the use of data type? Data type usage is there. Data type is usage is there to store all these types of data in program to perform perform business required calculation and validation. We must data type concept needed. We must data type concept needed, right? Needed. So definition, if you say that, if anyone asking what is that definition of data type? So definition of data type. Definition of data type. Definition of data type. If anyone is asking, so what you guys can tell? Data type. Data type is a something which gives information about what is that size of the memory, location and what, and range of data, that can be accommodate inside that location, right? Location. So we know that, guys. Okay, we know that inside that TypeScript, inside that JavaScript, inside that JavaScript, right, is what is that implicit side, right? We learned already, right?
Yes.
Implicitly typed. If we declare, then it will take as a string. If we are what is that, if we are taking what is that, just what, if we are taking x equal to what, 10, it will take as a number. If we are taking what is that, a string, it will take as a right, what, it will take as a string only. It's this is what is that, this is a implicit type, right? But whenever we are working in the TypeScript, TypeScript is what is that, explicitly we need to declare. Explicitly type, right? Explicitly typed, right? So how we are declaring, how we are declaring this data type inside the TypeScript now? How we are declaring this data type inside the TypeScript now? Just let's take, let we need to give variable name. After then what is that, we need to give what, type. We need to give type, right? So this is the syntax we need to follow. So inside that, so how many types of what, how many types of data types, right? Data type. And what is the root of all data type in the TypeScript, right? So inside the TypeScript, inside that TypeScript, any type is considered as the root type, considered as a root type for all data type. That means what? That means all data type or data type used in TypeScript. In TypeScript are derived right from any. Clear, friends? Clear? So now based on this discussion, right, let's discuss about that. What is that? Let's discuss about that. What are those data type? What are those data type, right? So let's see different different type script data type. Okay, so in TypeScript, how many types are data types now, guys? In TypeScript mainly we have two types. Mainly we have two types of data types. What are those? First one is what? Primitive type. Primitive types. Second one is what? Non-primitive type. Non-primitive types, right? First one is what is that? Primitive types, and second one is what? Non-primitive type. But if you want to learn high level, more high level, means if you are thinking about that, I want to become, what is that? I want to develop my own programming language. For the learning sake, the programming and working in the industry, this is the enough. But if you are planning something different, means if you want to develop our own programming language, which one will use next in the next generation industries, right? Then if you see this, right, based on that data structure, I'm talking about in the data structure, the programming level, this one, if we are learning these things, that is the enough, guys. Okay, if you want to more high level, if you are thinking more high level based on that data structure algorithm, right? So some more data types is there, guys. Okay, some more type of data type is there, right? So what are those? If you want to, I'm nominating those things now. Just note. Okay, I'm giving the notes now. So type are categorized into six type as per, I'm mentioning, guys. Okay, as per data structure, I'm mentioning clearly, guys. Okay, I'm mentioning clearly, if you are the good in the data structure, as per data structure standard, right? So we have, what is that? This types is what? This type is, what is that? Now these are the six type. First one is what? What is that? Abstract data type. Second one is what? Second one is, what is that? Meta class type. Third one is, what is that? Primitive types. Third one is what? Primitive types. Now fourth one is what? What is that? Static type, right? Now statistical type, right? Data type. Now last six type, right? 1 2 3 4. Fifth one is which one? String type. Yeah, fifth one is string type, and last one is last one is a tree structures. T structures based on that data structure, guys. Okay, based on that data structure, our data type is divided into 3 category, but at the programmatical level. But when you need to concentrate on this area, if you want to develop our own programming language, then you need to learn this total type of data structure, guys. Sorry, total type of data type. But as the programmer in the our stage, these two things is enough for us. These two things is enough for us, guys. Okay, enough for us. So what are those? Now we will start to learning first what is that primitive data type. First we will start what is that. First we will start learning what primitive data type. What are those primitive data type now? What are those primitive data type now, guys? Number boolean number boolean string null undefined these are the primitive data types of what inside that TypeScript now, guys. Okay, inside that TypeScript. So now till now everyone is clear about the our discussion now, guys. Till now anyone having any doubt now? Let me know that, guys.
Yeah, clear.
Clear.
No, Ravi.
No, right? So okay, guys, so what I'm doing now, actually I have some emergency work, right, to do. Actually today Sunday, right, we scheduled some to take interview, because in our team we need some resources. So I want to become, my manager told me to take the interview, guys. So 3:20 I scheduled that interview. I will take that guy's interview. So I'm stopping the session here itself only, guys. Okay, so we will continue from the primitive data type onward in the next weekend, guys. Okay.
Sir.
Okay, Ravi.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you, guys. So now anyone having any
Hello.
yeah, you can ask.
Hello, sir. I am
Can-
Zafar.
uh,
Hello.
yeah, ask. I'm hearing you.
Sir, you didn't share for fresher job opportunities.